Hi, I'm Vera from PagerDuty, and Joe Pusateri from the Solutions team will be joining me to share a PagerDuty Amazon CloudWatch integration demo with you. To get started, I'd like to share some quick background around the challenges we're seeing today, as well as what PagerDuty and AWS and the Amazon CloudWatch integration can do to help address these challenges. Migrating to the cloud is difficult, and customers need help with it. Cloud migration and managing hybrid cloud infrastructure is a complicated journey, and many organizations are struggling. It requires vital changes in technology stacks, people skills, and operational processes. A digital-first mindset necessitates being more cost-efficient, agile, and innovative to achieve business goals and deliver new customer experiences. A company must embrace service ownership, DevOps, and cloud infrastructure to succeed. Dynamic heterogeneous infrastructure means more change and events will happen, so now IT operations needs to keep up with multiple distributed teams. Understanding the context surrounding an incident is critical, as is automating as much of the resolution process as you can. PagerDuty helps teams unlock AWS's unprecedented scale and agility by assisting them in managing a complex transition from siloed and centralized approaches to multiple distributed teams and hybrid infrastructure. PagerDuty empowers you to drive the people, technology, and operational process changes necessary to maintain business continuity and help you make sure your cloud migration journey is painless and fast, and most importantly, without customer impact. Moving to the AWS cloud and managing hybrid infrastructure can increase complexity and change workflows for IT operations. PagerDuty empowers teams to adopt a full-service ownership model where teams can address the cloud-based services they built. Concurrently managing on-prem and AWS cloud infrastructure multiplies the complexity of monitoring, supporting, and securing the business. PagerDuty helps DevOps teams maintain visibility and leverage AIOps to cut through the multiple sources of noise and gain control of their stack while it's always shifting. A shift to AWS and the hybrid cloud infrastructure increases the complexity of your infrastructure and breadth of incidents. PagerDuty's AIOps helps teams cut through the noise to contextualize the incident and automate remediation for real-time operations. You can automate your hybrid IT digital operations using CloudWatch events and alarms data from across your AWS ecosystem. Amazon CloudWatch provides monitoring for AWS resources and customer-run applications, giving users system-wide visibility into resource utilization. PagerDuty users can set up notifications when any metrics cross a specified threshold and feed these signals on AWS Health directly into the PagerDuty platform for real-time action. Amazon CloudWatch is the gateway to AWS services for PagerDuty users. PagerDuty helps teams reduce noise using cutting-edge machine learning, contextualize incidents for rapid response, and then automate remediation when possible for real-time operations. Now let's show you a workflow demo of the PagerDuty Amazon CloudWatch integration by our solution architect, Joe Pusateri.
Let's see how to leverage PagerDuty for a CloudWatch alarm. Here I'm editing a CloudWatch alarm on an EC2 metric. When this alarm state changes to in alarm, it's configured to place an event in an SNS topic. This topic's name is PagerDuty. Here we see the topic itself. Be sure that it's a standard type. It also has a subscription, which will post to a PagerDuty service. The endpoint specified here will accept the CloudWatch event as JSON. Now that it's set up, when the CloudWatch alarm is triggered, we will receive an event in PagerDuty. PagerDuty has consulted the appropriate schedule and found that Holly Flax is on call and is notifying her through the contact methods she's configured: phone, SMS text, email, and a push to the PagerDuty mobile app. She can acknowledge the incident to indicate that she's taking ownership of it and then begin working to resolve it. Holly can scroll down to the event information which came from CloudWatch. All the details are easy to find and can help her to decide how to address the problem. PagerDuty will also show her when this problem has occurred in the past, giving her important context on whether this is a new problem or a recurring one. Knowing how long it took to resolve in the past helps her to have an idea of the size of this issue today. If Holly needs more help on this issue, she can easily bring other people or teams together through adding responders. However, as her organization has built a robust operations process, they've built response plays to efficiently perform a set of mobilization actions to add a number of responders, set up a conference bridge, and notify executives that this is a high priority and a high visibility issue. Now, if this is something that can be remediated through automation, PagerDuty can use EventBridge or platforms such as Rundeck to take that action. Whether manually initiated or automatic, PagerDuty can orchestrate the actions, track the activity, and bring it to resolution. This concludes the CloudWatch and PagerDuty demo.